perspective of the world. Who of you here have not heard me speak about birth? Anybody? Everybody? Okay, well I don't need to say anything.
You talk about birth all the time. Spread the message.
But they have a new version now.
Yeah, it has to be. Birth 2.0.
That could be great.
It's like computer programs, they get updated every year.
Yeah.
Oh God. I think we should go straight into a process. No, actually I think we'll go into a deepening. And then another process. Okay, the short talk for those who haven't really heard me speak about birth is extremely powerful experience. Okay.
Thank you. Can you do it shorter?
Birth is.
That's a short word.
Birth is, and then you shut down. We did birth to ourselves, and then we shut our hearts down. I mean, how simple can you get?
It's all an illusion anyway. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
We could make these days shorter and shorter. Yeah. Start at 12, have lunch, and then go home.
And then go to the beach.
Yeah, we'll go to the forest. Beach in the forest is
Oh God. So please close your eyes.